Can you move? Can you move? I know you love it. I know you love daddy's guns. But you gotta move. I gotta do videos. Okay, you're super soft, and I'll pet you later. But I need to do this gun video first. Okay? Okay. What's up, guys? Well, I told you I was gonna get the HK USP Expert, and I did. Here she is. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's take a look at her together. Okay. We're gonna open up this box and reveal the glory. Oh, yes. She looks beautiful. Look at this. Okay, let's nothing. There's no magazine. And there she is. Brand new. My other USP was used, but not this one. This one is brand new from the factory. And I believe the BK means this was a 2019 version of the USP. But she is glorious. So pretty. Give you some more shots of her. Give you some up close shots. Yeah. Whoa, so sexy. Oh, decocker. Now this side. Okay. The Expert came with some adjustable windage sights, and then it came with a blacked out front sight. Kind of weird, and I'll end up changing. I think I'm gonna end up changing it out, but it's got a blacked out front sight. It does not have the jet funnel. What is that? Get that over there. It does not have the jet funnel installed on this one, but I ordered the jet funnel. In fact, it's right over there, and I will be installing the jet funnel in my next video. It did come with two 15-round magazines when I ordered it, but since I knew I was going to install the jet funnel and the 15-round flush magazines wasn't going to work anymore inside the jet funnel, I called them up and I asked them if they had any of the jet funnel 18-round magazines, and they said yes. And I said, can you just swap out the 15 rounds for the 18 rounds, and I'll pay the difference of whatever it is. And that's what they did. So it came with two of the jet funnel magazines. And go ahead and show you if I don't fall it off the table. There's a magazine, and there's a magazine. And it's the white ones again. The weird looking ones, but I love them. So the difference between this one and the regular USP is that this one comes with a match trigger installed. And basically it's just a smoother trigger. Let's see if I can pull it for you guys. This will be the double action. Double action is not too much different than the regular one, but there it is. And then the reset right there. A little bit of take up, and then here's single action. Ooh. What I love about the USPs, and I don't know why, but when I'm aiming, if I'm just like practicing dry firing, if I'm aiming at something and I pull the trigger, the nose does not move at all. When I'm shooting my Glock, you know, I know that you're not supposed to move the nose very much when you're shooting, when you try to keep it still always. But for whatever reason, with the USPs, the nose just does not move at all on me. And I can just really, you see, there is like no movement right there. Not even trying right now. And that was double action. So here's single action. Let me see. Right there. Whoa. But yeah, so with the Expert, it came with the Ambidextrous Decocker on each side, you see? And I already know it's gonna bother me a little bit because I like to get the thumbs up high, and this one on the left-hand side is just gonna kind of bother me a little bit. So what I might do is do the same thing I did with the other standard USP and order the variant 3, which is just on this side. I wish I could just take this one apart and just use this side, but unfortunately it's together. It's all one piece, both sides. So that's probably what I'll do to make her the sweetest gun on the planet. I haven't decided yet. I'll probably do it, but since I got a proprietary rail on here, I'll probably put the Picatinny adapter rail right here, and then get a flashlight for it. I don't see myself using the flashlight very much, but you know, it's always good to have it on there in case you do wander outside and need to shoot a raccoon or something. Lord forbid somebody's trying to rob the place. I feel sorry for them. But yeah, so this is the USP Expert, and this is my new all-time favorite gun. I also ordered the Talon Grips for the USP because just like with the standard size or the regular USP, I like the rubber grips on them. It seems with the, I mean, my finger is when I get the grip on it, my pinky is pretty close to the edge, but not quite. So that's why I like having the jet funnel on the end of it. It kind of just gives me a little bit more play right there, since I have kind of long, skinny Skeletor hands. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed my unboxing of the USP Expert. I'll see you soon. Hopefully not too soon.